Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Let us start today's class. We were learning about the lesson tools of word processor. Word processor are the softwares which help us to create professional looking documents. So we learnt about different editing options. What do you mean by editing? It is making changes in the already typed text. So when you type the text, if you use cut, copy, paste option, undo and redo option. So if you edit, if you place the cursor in between and type new text or delete the text, so such things will comes under editing. We learnt about those things. So we started learning about formatting text, the one more topic in the lesson. So what do you mean by formatting? That is the process of changing the appearance and arrangement of text is called formatting. So we change the text appearance, like we use different size text, colors and different styles of letters, and we use underline, bold, italic options. So whatever the options we are going to use to make the changes for the look of the text, that process is called as formatting. So it is the process of changing appearance, that is the look and arrangement of the text. So in the formatting text, in the last video itself we came to know about like font, different fonts we are using, we can use that, and we can make the alignment. We can bring the text to the left side, right side or center, and we can change the color of the font. So about these things we learned in our previous class itself. So today also we are going to learn more about those things. So text can be formatted in various ways by changing its font style, size, alignment, color. So formatting, it is the most beautiful and important option to format the text that are present in the font group under the home tab. So whatever the formatting options we are going to get will be available in home tab. So it will be in the home tab of the ribbon. In MS Word window we have the ribbon with different tabs and groups in it. So in home tab we can find all the options which are required to make the text look beautiful and the way how we need it. So formatting text, in that we learnt about different options already in the previous class. Today we are going to study about how to change the font size and font color. About this already we learnt in our previous class itself. Still, let us recall once again what we learnt and how to do that once again. Now let us know what is font. Font refers to the shape or appearance of characters. So here you can see Sri KV English School in three different fonts. Here you can observe the appearance or the look or the shape of the letters is different in all three. So like this we have many fonts which we can apply to the text which we are going to use in MS Word. So there are different types of fonts available such as Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, Monotype Cursiva, Comic Sans, MS. Like this we have a big list in MS Word. So you can type the text and change the font, or before itself you can select the font and start typing the text. So here you have a list of fonts and their appearances, how it will looks when you choose that fonts. So when you choose Arial, you can see the letters how it will appear. So when you choose Calibri, here you have the example. So Times New Roman, Monotype Cursiva, Comic Sans, MS. So in all these font styles you can observe the shape and the look of the text is different. So you can apply the font styles to your text to make your document professional and attractive. So font size, the next option, font size. So as we know, size, the font is shape and appearance of the letters or characters. So that size of that letters, how we can change that, and that is called as font size option. Font size refers to the height of letters. So here you have Sri KV English School which I have typed by using different font sizes. So you can increase the font size or decrease the font size in MS Word. After typing also you can do that by selecting the text, or before typing also you can select the font size and start typing. This is font size. Changing the font size makes the text appear big or small. The font size is measured in points. So there in the font group you have the font size option. There you have to select the font size in terms of points. That will be in points. So changing the font color. Here you can see Sri KV English School, which I have typed using different font color. So like this you can type different colors of text in MS Word by using font color option. Font is the shape or appearance of the characters. Font size is the height of that font. Font color is the color of that font. So let us see how to use or apply these three features in MS Word. So in the step 1 you have to select the text to be formatted. As I said before also you can select the option and start typing. So it's better after typing you can select it and change it. So select the text. In the first step you have to select the text to apply that formatting feature. So after that you have to click on Home tab. So here you can see Home tab option. It will be in the ribbon. So click on the Home tab. So after that you have to click on the down arrow next to the font box in the font group. So here can you see children, Calibri body. So there itself you will find downward arrow here. So here you can see an arrow mark over there. So there you will find a downward arrow mark. If you click on that you get a drop down list. Here you have your drop down list. So you have vertical scroll bar here, so which you can use it to move up or down. Still more options you will find in this font. So you can select that by using that vertical scroll bar. Select the text, click on drop down arrow of the font dialog box. So font dialog box drop down arrow you will get. If you click on that you get a drop down list. So a list of fonts appears. Choose the desired font. After selecting the text you can click over there. You can select the desired font to your text. When you select in this it will be applied to the selected text. So this is the way to apply the font, different font to your text in MS Word. So now let us learn how to change the size of that font. So after typing the text, select the text, that is the first step. So then you have to click on font size. Can you see here children? 16 they have given here. Here they have selected 0.16 font size. So click on the down arrow next to the font size box in the font group. So you have to identify where it is available. Always you should know that the formatting options maximum it is available in the Home tab. So Home tab, font group, font size option. So when you click on that you get the drop down arrow with a drop down list with the different font sizes. So you can choose the desired font size. So up to 72 you can see over there. If not, here you have 16. No, there you can place your cursor and type the font size, how much you require to your text. We can use grow font and shrink font options in the font group on the Home tab to increase or decrease the font size. The first way I said, by using the Home tab in the font group you have font size option. So you can use this drop down arrow and click on that, you get a drop down list. There you can select the size. You have one more option to increase or decrease the font size, that is available here. Can you see here? That is with the A with a upward arrow and downward arrow. That is called as upward arrow A. If you keep on pressing that, no, the font size will be increasing. After selecting the text, you can use this. After selecting the text, if you keep on pressing on the A with the downward arrow icon, that is shrink font. That reduces the size of the font. Shrink font option reduces the size of font. So this is about font size. Now let us learn how to change the font color. After selecting the text, here you have to identify the icon, that is A, that is A with a arrow, line below that. Here you have that icon. This is called font color icon. So next to font color, you can see a drop down arrow. If you click on that, you get a drop down list or list of colors where you can choose different colors to your font. Select the text and select the color. Let us see a video about the things which we learned today.
Yes, you can by changing the font.
What is the font?
In MS Word, font is the look and shape of the letters of the text. In MS Word, there are many fonts you can choose from.
Please show me the steps.
Okay, first select the text you want to change the font. Then click on the Home tab. Click on the drop-down list arrow on the font button from the font group. Now select the font type from the list and click on it to apply. Look, the font of the selected words has changed. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the size of the font from the font size option. In MS Word, the maximum default font size is 72 points.
How can we change the color of the font?
Yes, you can apply different colors to the text. To change the color of the text, first select the text for which you want to change the color. Click on the Home tab. Click the drop-down list on Font Color button in Font Group. A color palette appears. Select the color you want from the palette and click it to apply. The color of the selected text has changed now.
That's really nice, Clicker.
Children, let's recap what we learned today. We learned about changing the font, size and color. So font refers to the shape or appearance of characters. The characters which we are going to type, the shape of that and how it will looks, that is called as font. There are different types of fonts available. So we can select that in MS Word. So here you have a list of fonts, how it will look when you select it. So font size refers to the height of that letters. Changing the font size makes the text appear big or small. So the font size is measured in points. Changing the font color makes the text appear in different colors. So we learned about the steps to apply these three options. To apply the font, select the text to be formatted and you have to click on Home tab. There you have font option. So click on the down arrow next to the font box in the font group. A list of font appears. Choose the desired font to apply the font. Next, to apply the font size, you have to click on the font size box. Next to that you have a downward arrow. So if you click on that, you get a drop down list. You can choose the size, the point, how much you require to your text, to your font. So we can use grow font or shrink font option also, that is available next to that font size itself with the A letter, upward arrow and downward arrow. So you can use that to increase or decrease the font size. Select the text and if you keep on pressing grow font option, the font size will be increasing. If you keep on pressing downward arrow with the A, that is shrink font option, the font size will be reducing. So in the step 5, we learnt about selecting different colors to the font. So that will be available in the font group itself. A with a line below that. Next to that you have a drop down arrow. So if you click on that, a list of colors will appear. So select the text and select the color. That color will be applied to the text which you selected. So hope you understood, children. This is your home assignment. I request you to write this in your homework book. We learned about these things: font, font size, color. Thank you, children.